Did you know you can have Windows, Linux, and recovery tools on a single USB stick? In this video, I'll show you Ventoy, a free tool that completely changes how bootable USB drives work. We go to the Google search engine and type Ventoy. Then we go to the Download section and download the Windows version. We copy the archive and extract the files into a folder on the desktop. Connect a USB flash drive to your computer and launch Ventoy 2 disk to install Ventoy onto the device. We will copy all the ISO files of the operating systems and other desired tools such as Windows 10, Windows 11, into the folder on the USB drive prepared with Ventoy. This way, Ventoy will automatically recognize the ISOs and make them available in the boot menu. After the PC boots from the USB drive, Ventoy displays its main menu. In this menu, all the ISO files we copied to the USB are automatically listed with no additional steps required. You can navigate using the up and down arrow keys to select the desired operating system or tool, and pressing Enter will boot from the selected ISO. Ventoy handles all ISOs independently without affecting other files on the USB drive and without needing to reformat. And that's it. You've seen how easy it is to use Ventoy to have multiple operating systems and tools on a single USB drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your experience. Thanks for watching.